Craving something sweet but short on time? Don't worry, today we're making 3 quick and easy Indian sweets: Jalebi, Kalakand and Dry Fruits Ladoo. Let's get started. First up, everyone's favorite jalebi, and this one is the instant version. Start by preparing the chashni. In a saucepan, add sugar, water, saffron strands, a pinch of turmeric and cardamom. Heat until the sugar melts. No need to wait for sticky strands. Switch off the flame and keep it aside. Now for the batter. In a bowl, combine maida, ghee and a little Eno fruit salt. Now mix well until it turns crumbly. Gradually add water in batches and mix for about 2 minutes. You need a smooth, pouring consistency. Now transfer the batter into a ketchup bottle. Heat oil in a pan and carefully squeeze out the spirals directly into the oil. Now fry until golden on both sides. Then dip the jalebis into the warm chashni. Removed and served hot and crispy. Next, a soft and grainy delight, Kalakand. Now heat ghee in a pan and add grated paneer. Cook on medium flame, mashing gently. Now add mawa and keep stirring until it blends well. After 3 minutes, pour in condensed milk and mix thoroughly. Remember, don't make it too smooth. Kalakand needs that grainy bite. Once the mixture thickens slightly, transfer it into a greased dish. Garnish with chopped almonds, pistachios and saffron strands. Now set in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Then cut into squares and enjoy the melt in the mouth magic. And finally, a healthy, energy-packed sweet dry fruits laddu. Grind almonds, pistachios, cashews and walnuts into a coarse mix. Now in a pan, heat ghee and melt jaggery until it dissolves. Now add in the nut mixture along with chopped figs and raisins. Stir well so everything is nicely coated. Now transfer onto a plate and let it cool for a few minutes. Now grease your palms with oil, roll them into small bite-sized laddus and you're done. Perfect for guilt-free snacking. And there you have it, 3 delicious sweets ready in minutes. Crispy jalebi, creamy kalakand and wholesome dry fruits laddus. Which one are you trying first? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie for more quick Indian recipes.